Dua Lipa is a renowned British singer, incredible model, and amazing songwriter. She came into limelight after launching her debut album. She released lots of hit singles that include New Rules, and Be the One, that helped her to become the number one singer. She also won lots of awards and achievements for her amazing performances. Early life and biography. Dua Lipa was born on 22 August 1995 in London in the United Kingdom. Dua is the daughter of Duka Jin Lipa and Anissa Lipa. She was interested in singing from her childhood days and started to learn singing at a very early age. When it comes to the education of Dua Lipa, then she attended Sylvia Young Theatre School, and later she started working as the model. Personal life. The beautiful British singer Dua Lipa is in a relationship with the lead singer of the Lenny band, Paul Clint. The pair started dating each other in August 2017. The couple maintained a perfect relationship for a long time. Prior to this, Dua also dated British model and chef Isaac Kara. The couple started dating in 2015, but their relationship did not last long, and they broke up in 2017. Currently, Paul and Dua are enjoying a happy relationship, and there is no sign of separation among them. Age, height, and weight. Being born on August 22, 1995, Dua Lipa is a 26 years old as of 14th November 2021. Her height is 1.73 meter tall, and her weight is 58 kg in kilogram. Career. Dua Lipa started her music career when she was 14 years old. At first, she began to post cover songs on YouTube. After that, in 2015, she released her debut singles New Love, that helped her to sign high popularity and attention from people. Soon after that, she released her second single, Be the One, in the year 2015. The song became hit in the UK and placed at number 1 of the Belgium. Awards and achievements. Dua Lipa has won lots of awards and nominations as being a model as well as a singer. She won MTV Europe Music Award in the Best New Act category as well as a BBC Radio 1 Teen Award for the Best Singles. Dua has been the recipient of 2 Grammy Awards and 3 Brit Awards. Apart from this, she won lots of awards and honors on her name that makes her more popular. Net worth and salary Dua Lipa in 2021. Being a popular model and successful singer, Dua managed to earn a handsome amount of money from her profession. As of November 2021, it is estimated that she has a net worth of around $8 million. She charges a good amount of money for her performances that help to increase her net worth repeatedly. Dua is also a songwriter that helps to add good value to her net worth. Apart from being a model, Dua also supports charity and does lots of works for the welfare of society. In November 2019, she also appealed to fans provide the best support donation to the relief for earthquake struck Albania. As a successful singer and model, Dua Lipa signed high fame and reputation among people all around the world.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And